Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to use Marriott Bonvoy to book hotels. So the first thing you need to do is head over to Marriott Bonvoy's official website, and then sign into your Marriott Bonvoy account. Step 2, enter travel information. Once you're on the Marriott Bonvoy's homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you'll enter your travel information. Over here, enter your travel destination. You can type in the city name, and then enter your check-in and check-out dates. You can also select how many rooms you need and how many guests will stay in each room. Then click on this Find Hotels button right over here. Step 3. Choose your hotel. Marriott Bonvoy will now show you a list of hotels in your chosen destination. You can sort the results by availability, price, amenities, etc., and then scroll through the list of hotels to find the one that best suits your needs. When you've found the hotel you like, click on this View Rates button. Step 4. Choose your room type. From here, scroll down, and then the Marriott Bonvoy will show you all the different room types available at the hotel you've selected, as well as the price for each type of room. Once satisfied with the room, select the room type you want and click on this Select button. Step 5. Enter your payment information. Now over here, you'll need to enter your contact and payment details. Enter your first name and your last name in the guest information section, along with your contact and address details. Once you're done with that, scroll down and enter in your credit card details in the payment section. Once you're done filling all the information, review all the booking details and then click on this Book Now button and you're done. Once you click on this button, you will now see a confirmation page. Along with that, you will also receive an email confirmation from Marriott Bonvoy with all your booking details. Well, that's how you use Marriott Bonvoy to book hotels. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.